Have you ever wondered if there's a limit to how much you can send via Grabpay? It's a question that many Grabpay users have asked themselves. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Grabpay transfers to find out just what the limits are. Grabpay is a popular mobile payment service that allows you to send money to friends and family, pay bills, and even shop online. It's a convenient way to manage your finances, but there are certain rules and regulations in place to ensure the safety and security of the platform. Limit 1. Daily Transfer Limit. One of the most common questions people have is about the daily transfer limit. This is the maximum amount of money you can send from your Grabpay wallet in a single day. While the exact amount may vary depending on your location and specific account settings, it's generally quite high to accommodate most everyday transactions. Limit 2. Monthly Transfer Limit. In addition to the daily limit, there's also a monthly transfer limit. This is the maximum amount you can send from your Grabpay wallet in a month. This limit is typically even higher than the daily limit, allowing for larger transactions or recurring payments. Factors affecting limits. Several factors can influence your Grabpay transfer limits, including account verification level. The higher your verification level, the higher your transfer limits are likely to be. This is because higher verification levels indicate a greater level of trust and security. Account age. Your account age can also affect your transfer limits. Newer accounts may have lower limits initially, but these limits can increase over time. Transaction history. Your transaction history can be a factor as well. If you have a history of making frequent and large transfers, your limits may be higher. Country regulations. Local regulations and laws can also impact transfer limits. Different countries may have different rules in place. Additional considerations. Fees. While there's no direct limit on transfer fees, it's important to be aware that fees may apply, especially for large transfers or international transactions. Security measures. Grabpay takes security very seriously. To protect your account and prevent fraud, they may implement additional checks or restrictions on your transfers. So, what's the limit of Grabpay transfer money? The answer is, it depends. There are daily and monthly transfer limits in place, but these limits can vary based on several factors. By understanding these limits and the factors that influence them, you can make the most of your Grabpay account and ensure a smooth and secure experience. Call to action. If you have any specific questions about Grabpay transfer limits or want to know the exact limits for your account, I encourage you to check the Grabpay app or contact their customer support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.